Generally, SEO takes a little bit of time to earn more profit. That too, YouTube SEO will definitely take you a lot of time. All you need is planning, work determination, and passion in ranking your YouTube videos. If we are passionate about something, we never give up, right? So be patient and put a little bit more effort until you rank your YouTube videos in the first page. You need to understand that patience is the main key for successful entrepreneurs. YouTube is not that easy and also not that hard. Trust me, as I said before, it takes some time and lot of effort to earn more profit from your videos. I just want to let you know this before itself. YouTube SEOs constantly have their ups and downs in their chart of succeeding. Also, do not get diverted or stop until you reach your destiny. If you are following these important things, you can easily succeed with your YouTube SEO marketing.